Nani, I'm feeling very hungry.
Oh, you're feeling really hungry? Okay, I'll make you nice poha cutlets which you can enjoy with your cup of tea. They're very delicious. Let's get started. This is 2 cups of poha. Rinse the poha nicely. Now I'll wait for the water to drain. The water has drained out completely. Now I will add it to a bigger bowl. Using my hands, I will just mash the poha nicely. So you can see that by itself also it binds well. Now I put in the potato. These are 3 potatoes. One tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, half a capsicum, grated carrot, peas, they are frozen peas, coriander, and I mix this with my hand nicely. Veggies you can take as per your liking and the quantity also as per your liking. 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which will help to make this crisp and nice. That's salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder ½ teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, 2 diced green chillies, 1 teaspoon heaped amchur powder, ½ teaspoon of ajwain. And I mix this nicely. And lastly, I add in half onion. Now this is the final run of mixing it together, and then we are ready to fry our poha cutlets. We light our gas, pour in some oil. This is 2 tablespoons of maida flour. I'm just adding a little water to make it into a nice slurry. You can add wheat flour, you can even add corn flour. Roll them. This is how you make the cutlets. You can make it into a cutlet, pressing it a little bit, or you can even make it cylindrical. Now we dip this into the slurry and roll it in the breadcrumbs. And we put it into the hot oil. Now we'll just flip it over a little till it comes to a nice crispy golden color. You can see that the poha cutlets have been fried nicely. I will take it out in a bowl. So you can see how crispy these poha cutlets are. You can see it's so crispy on the outside and inside extremely soft, full with veggies and poha.
It looks so tasty, Nani.
Yes, it is very tasty, very delectable. Please enjoy it with a cup of tea.